The showroom is almost ready. Look at this kitchen. How beautiful. It's all new collection of semi-custom cabinets. We will have floating shelves here above the sink. Look at this tile, how cute. It's 3 different colors. And we just combine them together. It's not finished yet, but almost there. This is the plumbing, fixtures. And look at that beauty. Look how pretty all those displays are. New glass just installed. Here are the barn doors. This black hardware. Square handle or finger pull. We have the gold combination towel bar and handle. And of course the towel bar that is square and chrome. The glass is going all the way to the ceiling. And here we have samples of 2 different glasses. We have the rain glass and we have the frosted milky glass with a transom on the top. So all the options are here. Come visit us.